If you're a professional woman whose career is not thriving, you're going to want to listen. I'm going to take you on a journey and tell you exactly how we help professional career women get their careers back. You know, your career can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you're not doing it right, much less the soul burnout that you may be experiencing from toxic work environments, job trauma, being passed over for promotion, or just not thriving in your career. It's a sin to not be moving in the direction that you know that you can be moving in. I'm career coach Mo Faul, and over a 40-year executive career of my own, I learned all the ropes that women have to go through in order to be successful and land their dream jobs. I did it multiple times in my career, and I retired 7 years ago so that I could help women just like you exceed beyond your own expectations. For instance, our wonderful client Nadia was hospitalized for a mental breakdown. She's not proud of it, but that's exactly what happened to her when she was just working too hard and being paid too little for the work she was doing. We took her through our 12-week formula, and she landed a dream job making more than she ever thought she could. The truth of the matter is, she couldn't have made that move if she didn't bring her soul back to life. And now, after a few years, she's even at a higher level than she thought. There's another woman who was just graduated from our 12-week workshop, and she was about to ditch her entire career. She went through the exact same steps that Nadia did in the exact same time frame and landed the most amazing job she's ever had in her 25+ year career. Click below for the masterclass where I go through all the 5 steps that we take our professional women through. If you're a professional woman with education, expertise, and experience, you're going to want to watch this masterclass. Click below. You'll see a page like this, and you're going to click on and sign up for that masterclass. You'll learn everything that I take my 12-week clients through, and you're going to learn it. And I'm going to tell you something. At the very end, if you really want to get to work, you're going to have a special opportunity to talk to my team, and we'll sort it out whether this is the right thing for you. I'm going to tell you something also about thousands of clients in each profession who all followed this formula and all are making 30, 50, 70. One gal, a CFO, just landed a job for $110,000 more than she was making. I can't believe it either. With the formula that we follow and that we use, these women are able to up level and play at the level that they are built for. Let us help you. But you gotta watch this masterclass to learn the techniques and learn all the steps that we take our clients through. This is career coach Mo Faul. Click on the link below for your special pass to learn my special techniques. Let's get you a kick-ass career, and let's bring your soul back to life.